You may be wondering why these movie clips are shown in the beginning of the video. All these clips were filmed using a special technique in the movie industry around the world, and that is nothing but a camera dolly. I'm Jaiju from Jaiju's Home Videos. Today I am going to show you all how to make a small version of a camera dolly, which we can call as a micro camera dolly. And the cost is just under $10. Can you believe it? A camera dolly is a wheel cart or similar device used in filmmaking to create smooth horizontal camera movements. The camera is mounted on the dolly and the camera operator pushes the dolly back and forth or around the objects or characters being recorded. And this technique is known as a dolly shot. In this video, I am using some leftover timber found in my storage room. I am measuring and cutting them to a length of 200 mm. I need 2 pieces for the base and 1 piece for the top plate. I am removing the sharp edges using a hand planer. I am attaching the rollers on the bottom side of the bottom plates using screws. Turn them around and place on another piece of timber as the rollers are facing downwards. I am making sure that the top plate is in the middle of 2 base plates on both the directions and is square. Marking and drilling one hole of diameter 8 mm for the bolt. We need to use a clamp to keep the timber pieces together. I am drilling a small hole and finishing with the diameter 8 mm. Drilling the second hole exactly as we did the first one. Mark and drill a hole of diameter 6.5 mm in the middle of the top plate. Chamfer both the sides of the hole and make sure that the 1/4" screw is projecting out by at least 8 mm on the top side. This screw is used to attach our camera or an adapter to hold the camera. Now it's the time to check the assembly. Make sure that the bolts are holding the top and bottom plates together when the wing nuts are tightened. Check the movement of our newly made dolly. I realize that the inner corners are touching each other when bringing them together. I am going to cut out the inside corners of the bottom plates. Assemble the dolly again and try to attach a camera. Our dolly is looking really great. Can you believe it is a fully functional dolly which costs under $10? Let us go inside and take some shots with different cameras. I tried with my mobile camera and it is working really well. Tried with my GoPro and it works really great. Finally, I tried with my Sony camera and it is really working. This proves that we can use any type of camera on this dolly without any trouble. Let me now show you some beautiful video clips which I have recorded using this camera dolly inside and outside of my house. Hope you like this camera dolly and the trial videos shot using the camera dolly. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please do subscribe and also enable the bell icon to get notifications on my new videos. There are lots of interesting videos like this on my channel and some of them are shown here. Click on any of this video to watch it. Till I come back to you with another interesting video by next week. Goodbye everyone.